In this video, you will learn how to use proportions to solve word problems. When two fractions or ratios are equivalent, we say they are in proportion, and that their cross products are equal. We can use this to help us find a missing value in a word problem. Maria runs 10 miles in 75 minutes. At the same rate, how many miles would she run in 69 minutes? In this word problem, we can make two ratios. Our units are miles and minutes. Maria runs 10 miles in 75 minutes. At the same rate tells me that the two ratios are equivalent. How many miles? We use x for the value we don't know. How many miles can she run in 69 minutes? Or we could present the information in a table. Maria runs 10 miles in 75 minutes. How many miles can she run in 69 minutes? In both cases, we have a pair of equivalent ratios, so we can cross multiply, then divide both sides by 75. We find x is equal to 9.2 miles. Maria can run 9.2 miles in 69 minutes. In these questions, you really have to focus on setting up the proportion. Solving for x is easy once you have the correct proportion. 247 pens cost $26. At the same rate, how much would 209 pens cost? Our units are pens and dollars. Which of the following four proportions are correct to represent this word problem? Proportion A reads 26 pens cost $247. This is not correct. Proportion B reads 247 pens cost $26. This is good. Let's look at the second part. And the second part says how many pens would cost $209. This is not what's in the question. So proportion B is also incorrect. Proportion C reads 247 pens cost $26. How much would 209 pens cost? And this is correct. Proportion D reads 247 pens cost $26. How much would 209 pens cost? This is also correct. So notice it doesn't matter which unit you put first, as long as you carefully match the numbers with the correct unit. Once we have the correct proportion, it's easy to solve for x. We cross multiply, and both proportions give us x times 247 equals 26 times 209. Divide both sides by 247, and x is equal to $22. Let's look at one final example. There are 546 calories in 100 grams of chocolate. How many calories are in a 30-gram bar of chocolate. Our units are calories and grams. 546 calories in 100 grams. How many calories in 30 grams? Cross multiply. Divide both sides by 100. And x is equal to 163.8. There are 163.8 calories in a 30-gram bar of chocolate. Thank you.